to start talking before I lose my mind right now. Stop! Are you guys daring me? Speak up!
Harry, why are you wasting your time on these riffraffs? These people are criminals. Gossips. All they do is gossip in this palace. Always prognosing what does not concern them.
Oh, you don't want to talk? You don't want to talk? Start talking! Now guys, listen. By the time I'm done with you people, by the time I finish with you people, you will regret ever gossiping in this palace. Now start talking.
Give it to me, let me help you. Let me help you. Give it to me.
Just relax. Start talking.
Hey, wait, Ada, Harry, what is going on here?
It's not this stupid maid. Huh? Gossiping up and down. Saying rubbish they know nothing about.
Wait a minute. Again?
Yes!
Again. Let them remain here till your father returns. What nonsense! I am late for a meeting. Shut up. Shut your mouth.
Are you mad? Your queen. Which queen?
Bloody gossip.
My place, my place, I'll be back.
Come back here! Come back here! Come back here! Come back here! Come back here!
I will deal with all of you.
Kneel down properly! Kneel down properly! All of you! Kneel down, my friend!
I'm very sorry. You know that I'm very busy in the palace because of so many commitments. But I still had to make out time to come and be with you. Sorry.
That is exactly what I've been saying, my king. I want you to make it possible for me to be close to you. Remember, you are the only man in my life. You are. And it frustrates me when I can't have all your attention.
It's okay, my dear. Excuse me. Let's go. Hello, Harry. Again? Okay, don't worry. I will deal with it when I return. Yeah. It's alright.
I hope all is well, sweetheart.
My dear, it's the same old story. It's my domestic staff. Problem here and there. Gossip. Chi. Anyway, I know what I will do this time. I am going to sack all of them. Yes.
Well, that isn't a bad idea anyways.
How do you mean?
When you sack them, you employ me. That way I can be closer to you.
You see, that is why I say you are a very intelligent, brilliant, and smart girl.
Yeah.
That's why I like you.
Yeah. You will always love me, my king.
My baby.
For I do it better than all of them.
Yeah, I can't, with that being told, I know.
So please do not hesitate to sack all of them.
I will sack all of them. And the game plan there is for you to...
Bubata.
Richard, I am warning you. I am warning you for the last time, Richard, I am warning you for the last time. I'm warning you for the last time.
Are you a madman?
What of business?
Are you a madman?
I'm a madman.
Are you a madman?
You're a madman.
Are you a madman?
Don't get out of this place. You're going to be a madman. Richard, you're going to be... Come outside. Yeah, you're going to be a madman. Take care of yourself. Take time, Richard.
Fine.
Take time.
Are you mad?
I'm mad.
You poured away my customers'
I said, what will you do? I said, what you going to do?
Are you stupid?
Do your worst.
how to kneel? I said kneel down. Is this how to kneel down? Someone is missing. Where's Nkoli?
My princess, she went to go and ease herself.
Ease her what? On whose permission? Nkoli! Where's that stupid girl? Now walk with your nails to this place. Shut up and walk! You're crazy.
I said, do your work, make this money for this grace.
If I
what's enough for this time?
If I I'll get you arrested right now.
You get me arrested.
I'll get you arrested
You get me arrested. You know when you don't do anything. I don't know if you do anything. Do your work, make I see you.
Hey,
If I be careful.
Richard, what is going on here?
I wanted to teach this stupid boy a lesson.
Who will be me, stupid person?
Hey, young man, please, what is the problem?
Madam, stay out of this place. Stay out of this matter. It's none of your business.
I just wanted to know, see if I can be of help. Or...
Who you be? I was waiting. I governor, I'm waiting.
If you don't have respect. You don't have respect, right? You don't have respect.
For who?
Do you know who she is?
For this useless woman. Who is she?
Be careful.
Don't stop that rubbish. I'm warning you. I'm here for this time. I'm going to teach you better lesson for this time. Be careful. If not, I will do it for this time. I'll show you for this time. Come. I'm here for this time. I will show you.
This has always been my problem, my king. I mean, why are you doing this now? You always don't have time for me. Now you want to leave already. I'm always the last on your list.
How can you say a thing like this? By now you're supposed to have been used to my schedule.
Yeah, I understand, my king. But is it bad for me to express my feelings now? Is it bad?
There's nothing wrong with that. Okay? Now I have to be going. Let me run home.
So when can I see you again?
We will always see. Take good care of yourself. And when I get home, I will make a transfer of 500,000 naira for you. At least you use it to hold body together.
Thank you so much, my king. I mean, you've been of great assistance lately.
Yeah.
But my king, why don't you at least make it up to 1 million? You know, I need to do some things for myself. Buy some things for myself.
You want to buy some things for yourself?
Yes, my king.
Okay. Consider it done.
Thank you! You are the best! That is why I will always love you.
Thank you, thank you.
Okay, don't worry. I'll text you even before you get home so you don't forget the money.
How can I forget
Oh,
a
very
thing like
important.
this? I cannot, because if I forget sending you money, which means I have forgotten myself.
Oh, my king!
My baby.
Wait. You're so sweet.
Thank you, thank you. I have to run home now.
I'll let you go.
Yeah.
Don't worry.
Listen, I said I was sorry, okay? I am. I don't like to see you like this. Just forget about what happened. Just let it go. I'm sorry, I've apologized 1,000,000 times.
This is exactly what I've been telling you. Eh? That mad boy insulted me because of you. I can't take this anymore. Whatever I do, I go out of my way to do it because I love you. You need to do something about it fast.
I will.
And now?
I will do something about it. Listen, that boy is a fool. He's very stupid. I mean, no one takes him serious. But I need you to calm down. I need you to forget about what happened. Alright? I don't like to see you like this. You need to cheer up.
You're becoming so naughty, Richie.
Well, because I want to make you happy.
That's my baby. Now give mommy a hug.
so we'll just drive.
Your reports have gotten to me again. And this time, I am not going to spare any one of you. I am going to deal with you one after the other. Now you wait. I'll be back.
It is not all your fault. If only you shut your mouth up, we wouldn't have been in trouble by now.
How is it my fault? Etiko was the one that started it at first.
Dad, don't even come and in there. Hey, I think you people should keep quiet now. I mean, this is not the right time to apportion blame on anyone. After all, when your mouth were busy running like a tire without brake, didn't you know that you will land us into this trouble now?
What are we going to do now?
Go back to your father's house.
My love, where are you? My baby, my baby. Come. I have come to surprise you. I have come to show you love.
Kashumu!
Hey!
Kashumu!
Mango.
How are you?
How are you?
I'm fine.
See, I have come with love. Today, I have come to show you true love. I'm telling you.
My love,
Yeah?
you did not go to work today.
You know I was off. So I'm resuming today, this afternoon. From here now, off to the palace.
Okay.
Yes.
So, what is this love all about?
Ta-na-na. I went to the market. I closed down the market. I told everybody, go home. I have money. I give them money. I collected what I want. Tell them to go and sleep.
Baby, you got pants.
No, timber.
Baby, hello.
Yes.
Thank you.
7 pants. 7 days of the week, 4 market days. You will not change anyone. The one you wear on Monday is not the one you wear on Tuesday. Yes, that's how I did it. For my baby.
Baby, why did you buy same color?
Same color. I like same color. Are you not the same complexion? You are fair. Tomorrow you will not be dark. So I said, let me give you red.
I know, but my complexion is quite different from pants. How will I be wearing same pants every day, same color? Do you want people to think I'm a dirty girl?
This is pants, not party. He said people. Which people? Which people will be seeing the pants if not me? It's not party, it's pants.
What can I hear? Did you say pants? In my house?
Plants.
No, Mama.
No, plants.
Papa, you did not hear pants. Plants.
Plants. Animal or things. Look at plants here.
You think I am stupid, eh? Like you. I heard everything very clearly. So, this Akaogeri, this Efulefu, how many times have I warned you to stay away from my daughter? I'm asking you, Jude.
Ichie, I love your daughter.
So, you did not see any other thing to buy for my daughter. It is pants. You did not see car. You did not see house. You did not see aeroplane.
Ichie, the border
it is pants.
Border is closed. I cannot bring car. The president closed the border.
Otorogabogin that president. Otorogabogin that president, Ama. You bought pants so that you'll be going to inspect, eh?
Papa, is it your inspection? Is it your inspection? Is it inspecting you? Why are you disturbing the love of my life now? What is it talking in the...
True love for that matter.
Hi. Look when Fufu. I told your late mother to stop giving you noodles. Look at the result. Look at how big you are. I'm behaving like a small child. You did not see another person to love in this world. It is this Akagogiri. This is Fulefu.
Awashi. He's not Akalogoli. Jude you are seeing here is the future president of this country.
Hey!
Forget the Jude you are seeing now.
In your dream. This never do well. This good for nothing. Look at this aboki cap on top of jean. Aboki cap on top of jean.
Royal Guard.
That's the man you love because he's buying you pants.
The love of my life.
You love him, eh?
with everything in me.
Like Romeo and Juliet.
He's the air that I breathe. I love him even more. Juliet loved Romeo.
Yeah, wonderful. Yeah, I'm happy for both of you. My daughter, I'm happy for you. Let me go and prepare myself and then come and wed you.
Okay.
Holy matrimony.
Thank you.
You got to go, eh?
Thank you. There's a bring cola for me. Thank you. Thank you. Stop that. Once I will collect Igwe's crown.
When did my father become a Catholic priest?
I'll go to the...
If
I go and collect Igwe's crown and put on myself, he will allow me. Don't worry. Okay.
Come and marry my daughter. No, come and marry my...
Papa, one of my kidney, Papa! Papa, leave my kidney for me!
Mom, where are you? Dad is back and it's me asking after you. Okay, but please just try and come home early, okay? The earlier we sort out these mate things, the better for us. Alright. Love you too, Mom.
Abomination! His chair has fallen down! Hey! Hey! Abomination! Ukuma!
See your father.
My waist!
His chair not done anything to you.
But come on! People, come on, come on! Hey!
To you. Get up from there.
Hey! It is not... Look, you have seen what you call...
What is the meaning of this? Eh? Why are you disgracing your generation? What does this mean?
You're asking me? You weigh me down and you asking me nonsense question. If you don't bring a goat, I won't get up from here.
Get up. Get up, oh. I don't have any goat to bring.
I cannot get up from here if you don't bring a goat.
That means you will remain there.
A black he goat.
No problem. You will stay there till next week. When you go, will pay me.
I will not get up from here. I will never get up from here if you don't bring black he goats. This is an abomination.
You will not only bring goats, you will bring a bag with dog. Nakaya will tell you. My love.
I'm going to the palace. Tell your father to get up. Oh.
Don't worry. Just leave him here. Eh? Baby, go. I will come and see you later. I love you so much. Don't worry. I will wear the G-string to come and see you later. Oh?
Okay.
Look what the daughter is jigging it.
I love you. I receive it.
Hey! Abomination on top of another abomination. You have the effrontery in my presence to be talking. I kicking your leg like this. Get the back up. I will cost you.
Papa, why are you behaving like an imbecile? Papa, stand up
if
now.
You don't bring goat, if you don't bring goat here, you will die.
Papa, I will not bring goat. I will bring
goat.
I will bring goat. I will not. If you
don't bring goat,
I will bring goat.
So after all my warnings to the mates, they could not shut up their dirty mouth. They keep talking anyhow. Eh? In fact, all of them must go. Because the palace will not be safe with such people working here with us.
Father, you're right. It's obvious they don't want to change. So the best thing for us to do is to lay them off.
Exactly, Dad. They should leave. Like you said, we're not safe with this kind of people in this palace. Let them go.
They must leave tonight.
Very good, Dad. Consider it done.
Oh, it will be better I just go to them. I would love to break this news to them. They're all getting fired.
Ada, yes, Dad. You get me something to eat before your mother arrives.
Okay, Dad.
you get that come English na my palace.
Richie, think about what we discussed earlier, okay? And remember, don't call me. I will call you. My son almost picked your call yesterday.
I can't reach you when I want to. I call you on the phone, you don't pick up. You don't send me text messages to tell me you're busy and you're unable to pick up. Sometimes I want to tell you a lot of things, but I can't reach you. Sometimes it's heartbreaking. I don't know how you want me to go about this.
Oh, darling, I understand. I know. Just calm down, okay? You know my husband's position. I wouldn't want any scandal. Everything will be fine soon, okay?
I understand. I just have to find a way around it.
Oh, Papa, why are you doing this? Eh? Get up, let's go home. People will mock us.
Let them mock us. Let people mock us. Yes, so that you will know the gravity of the offense you have committed. Yes, I will report this matter to the whole village so that you can explain to them what you and that useless Jude, what two of you are doing with pants. You will explain.
Papa, Madi pants or boalo can dry. Is it a crime to wear pants? Who in this village does not know that Jude and I are lovers? Why do you want to end our love? Illegal musu.
Love ndiara. Love ndiara. Lekene di na ngwongwo mother na me love. Fela dey make. Let the love kill two of you. Love more. Let them come.
What's happening here?
My waist. My hell, good girl. That's someone, well-trained girl from a good home, like my own. Ask her. She connived with one useless boy. That useless boy that has no job, Jude. You know him. Two of them conspired and pushed me down and broke my waist.
What?
Look at my waist.
Why now?
Ask her. What did I do? Ask her. Look at her. Answer her. Why did you push your father down?
Who pushed you down?
You pushed
Who
me down.
pushed you down?
You pushed me down.
Baby, don't mind this man. My Jude, the love of my life, did not push this man down. This man fell down. Anakwatugi.
Ichie, please get up. You know you are a cabinet member. You want the Igwe to hear this.
No. I am not getting up from here unless they bring a goat. A black he-goat. Before I get up from here. 5 years old black he-goat. Yes. Without it, I'm not getting up from here.
Where is he now?
The cashew has gone back to the palace where he works. Dineba!
Ichie Biko, please, get up. See, people are watching you. And you know you are an elderly person. Please, don't act childish. Look at these children watching you.
It's the child again. More childish.
Yeah.
Look at this girl. I thought you were somebody. I was even praising her that she's intelligent. I didn't know that she's just as foolish as my daughter. Yeah. So because two of you are the same color, your foolishness is also the same color.
Please, I'm out of here.
Do me like that. I thought she was sensible. Go. Look at her. It's a family affair. Short engine.
Papa, if I dream,
Look at her. Coming here to say me I'm acting childish. Instead of telling this Gwongworo here that she's misbehaving, you're blaming me.
Caterpillar. Now you know that it is family affair. What are you in to Papa, get up, let's go.
You don't bring a goat, I'm not getting.
If I dream, get up, let's go. Get up, let's go.
I'm not going anywhere unless you bring a goat here.
Bring goat,
yes.
Officer Goat.
Yes.
If you like, stay here or go and tell the Igwe that Jude pushed you down. I will stand by him firmly and tell him that you fell down. I will tell him that my Jude did not push you down.
And I will cause you will die.
I will not die.
You will die.
You are older than I am. You will die. I will bury you.
It's your phone.
You better get up. Get up. You are not acting like an investor. Don't worry. I will go and bring duvet for you. I will bring duvet and pillowcase for you. If I go to go to so. Get up, let's go. Get up, let's go. Let me bring pillow for you. If
I get up.
You may not like Ife Nkoli. You better die and leave us in peace. Because I warned you people when this gossiping of a thing started, but you did not listen. Now look at where you have landed us. Because of you people's stupidity, we are suffering what we know nothing about.
Don't you ever open that your stupid mouth and call me stupid. Idiot.
Ngozi, what did you just call me?
Idiot, you called me stupid. So, if I'm stupid, it means you're an idiot.
If I hit you, you will lose your destiny.
Oh.
What is it now?
Peter.
Huh? What is it? We already have enough trouble. As it is, I don't want any more. I thought we should be thinking on how to find our way out of this mess instead of fighting among ourselves.
Onyasili, it's not that you want to look for a way out of this mess you created, Abby.
Hold yourself. Oh. You people should learn how to hold yourself. Just because I decided to close my mouth, it doesn't mean I don't have a way to deal with you.
Oh, yeah.
I will easily walk in there and tell Spring Harry what you said about you.
You do what? You think I've forgotten what you told me last night about Lolo? Oh yeah, now go and talk.
See me, see trouble. See better person. See better person. Madam, for your information, I overheard you and Igwe talk last night.
Yeah.
Enough of this. Enough. See, I beg all of you in the name of whatever you believe in. I want to leave this palace alive with my body complete. I don't know why you people like gossiping. Even you do know that you are a man. Oh, the prison you went in Liberia, you came back with gossiping, eh? Look at your tongue. Oh, Judex.
Hey, my guy.
How far?
What is happening here?
Paul, you are right on time.
What is the meaning of this alak over here? Huh? What is happening here? Alak over in the afternoon now.
Ask them, oh, Judex. They are in serious trouble. They gossip the prince and the princess.
I said it. I said it. I knew it will happen. Every time if you open your mouth, it will be going out from your mouth as if a trailer that is carrying overload. Especially you. Small motor, big engine. Look at you. Well, my own is that I need one of you should get up there. Go and get me food. Then you come back and lie down. I'm hungry. Hunger is killing me here.
That hunger kill you there. Huh? That hunger damage your stomach.
Okay.
It's not only food.
Okay. You see that alakoba? Your forehead will break up today. Rubbish.
Please, you know you are very close to the royal house. Tell them that I'm innocent. Please.
Do I know? What is my business with your beers? Did you consult me before you grow beers? Please come.
Hey!
Do I know you? See, if you are praying alakoba, you will hit your head. Allahu Akbar. If you are charismatic, pray 50 tickets of rosary before Igwe will forgive you. See, small motor, big engine. Come and give me food.
Don't mind the radio without no frequency.
Don't mind.
You go chair for there.
I'm waiting though. Come and give me food. I will go and collect Igwe's cap now. Become Igwe.
Hunger will kill you there. Oh.
You see what you have turned yourself into? They are making mockery of us.
I don't understand. You say we. You unko. I see you have not been talking on this one. Me.
Put me into this.
I beg, keep quiet.
My parents did not teach me how to gossip. Put me into this.
What nonsense? Can you imagine? Huh? It's obvious no information is safe in this palace anymore.
Exactly. Crazy. Oh, I think that's Mom. Thank God! I can't wait for her to get back and so we can get rid of these guards and maids. I'm tired of them. Ha!
And so maybe already gone, sir.
Yes.
Let me just come and so throw them out.
Hey, Mom.
Yes, dear. How are you?
I'm fine.
Where is your father?
Mom, where have you been? You've been gone for over 5 hours.
Harry, I have told you this before, and I'm saying it again. Stop questioning my whereabouts. I am not your wife.
Exactly. She's not your wife.
Leave
mommy alone, she can take care of herself.
What do you mean?
She's
not my wife. In as much as father is not here, I am in charge. And that makes me your husband and your father.
Excuse whose father? Really?
Oh.
Something is wrong with you.
Hey, why are the domestic staff still out there? Where is your father?
Mom, let them be there. They even deserve worse punishment. Let them be there. They think they can gossip.
Dad is in his room, probably sleeping. Mom, really, it's you we've been waiting for. Your opinion or maybe what you think, because if not for you, they would have been long gone by now.
Me?
Yes!
Mom, they must go. In short, for me, they're already gone.
Okay.
What is it?
Oh, nothing. No, everything is okay.
My prince, should I go with this, eh?
Let them go, throw them out.
Don't go there now and start telling somebody that you are a princess. Lose it, I will catch you one day.
Oh yeah.
My friend, will you get out of my house?
Recruits! Move, second. Yeah.
What are you still doing there? I said get out!
Yeah.
Hey, guys!
This
Close my
canvas.
gate!
Oh, this canvas looks like a royal canvas. Go!
We should have done this long time ago. Now we can hire competent, loyal, and serious-minded people.
Exactly.
Ada, it's almost time for dinner. Go and fix dinner.
Mom.
Yes?
I can't.
What do you mean you can't? Go and bring out the soup and fix dinner.
Mom, I hope you did not fire this maid so they can turn me to a maid. You know how much I hate that part of the house.
You hate that part of the house? Eh? No, as a woman, if you hate the kitchen, where will you now like? On top of the bed? The sitting room? Eh? See, listen. I hope you've not forgotten that this is your father's house. So. Eh? You better start thinking how to get married and go to your husband's house. I hate the kitchen.
Ada, your father will soon wake and he will demand for his dinner as soon as he wakes up. Make sure it is ready.
Lolo, are you going inside?
What's that supposed to
And my stomach is awake. Oh.
Yes, so.
In case, you know the guards, they made it, they have gone.
Don't provoke me. Is that clear? I said don't provoke me.
The maids have left. Come. And I'm hungry.
Get lost, my friend.
They say you should get.
Go and buy Lost.
Okay, Lost. Where is it?
Where will buy Lost?
Where? Where is the way?
Hunger will kill us here. Hunger will kill us here.
Where road they?
Medics have gone. Hey!
To this place. Hey! Juliet, where is the way?
Never!
Leave me, oh! Leave me, I'm not going anywhere. Leave me,
I'm
I'm not going anywhere. I'm not going anywhere. I'm not going anywhere. I'm not going. Leave me, Papa, leave me.
Leave my house right now. Leave my house. You will never enter this house again. Let me see how you can enter my house. You want to be bigger than me in my own house? It's not possible. It's not possible.
Papa, why are you doing this? Why are you doing this? I am not leaving this house. If you want to kill me and bury me. Let me die and follow my mother.
Yes, if you want to die, I will kill you and bury you. But I don't want you to die. So you leave. Leave my house. You cannot enter here today. If you like, you can hang around. When night comes, let me see where you sleep. Go and stay with that idiot. Go and... It's law of your life, eh? Go.
Papa, you are wicked.
Yeah.
You are very wicked and very ungrateful. You are the most ungrateful human being I've seen all my life. Look at you, you are just one white. It's not because of the food I give you in this house. Open up, Robbie Kalini, go Kazuami. No,
look at this one. Is it not the stress that you give to me that made me grow white hairs all over the place? I'm still a young man. Very bustling young man. Eh? I do not need your care. I can take care of myself. Yes. Go and take care of that Akagogeri. Eh? That buffoon you call your love of life. Go and take care of him. Leave me. Let me tell you, I have even reported you to your brother in Kano. Yes. I have reported you to him. He will come back and you explain to him the nonsense you are doing in this village.
Papa, you are very wicked. Yeah. It is very wicked.
Yeah.
So you called Brother K to tell him all these things?
Yes.
It's a Kambulun Najano.
Do you
want to marry me?
Me? Marry you? What do I do? In a zuzu. No. Foko. Like Akbo. Mwa. Iburu mwanya abanye mu na cup ngafu
say ya mu atami iko
ngafu
it's a lie.
Let me even tell you, imagine Kemerugwa. You know what? I will report this matter to the Igwe. Yes. He will sack that idiot.
And you will do no such thing.
So that he will be jobless, two of you will be homeless, hopeless, everything less.
You are wicked, Papa.
Get out from my house. Get out from my house.
You don't like love, Papa. You are wicked.
Love.
I see love. Leave this door now.
Love.
I'm not leaving this house. I'm not leaving this house. I'm not leaving this house. I'm not leaving this house.
What's love?
Papa, you are wicked. I'm not that door. Papa, you're very wicked. You leave my slippers. Leave my slippers. So wicked.
Go and meet your love of your life. Go and meet him. This is my house.
I'll wait for your house.
I will get my own love of my life.
I'll wait for you. If you're not sure, I'll go.
Yeah.
Until we finish in this house.
Hotel.
Yes, in this house. Yeah, we poison the two of you. If you allow me to marry Jude, I will poison the two of you.
Yeah,
You mean this? This woman is mean, no? This woman is very mean.
I won't lie to you. I'm a little bit afraid, but it's okay.
Afraid of what?
The thing is, I feel this is the right time to make some good money from her.
Of course.
Do you understand?
Of course.
But don't get it twisted. It's not like I enjoy doing this. The plan is to go into the palace, pretend for a while, save some money, and invest in my business. I want to grow this business into a big restaurant.
Well, if you ask me, there will be no point for you to be afraid. If I'm to be in your shoe, I will go there in that palace and possess my possession. Possess my possession. Hey, but just have to be careful. But if I'm to be in your shoe, I will go there and grab hold of the opportunity. Don't let it skip off your hands.
That is what I'm doing. I'm not trying to miss the opportunity, but then again, I have to do it carefully so I don't get caught. Do you understand? This is the plan. If I get into the palace, I'm going to pretend to be a chef. Do you understand? And I'll be cooking for them. At the same time, saving enough money to invest in this business. Do you understand my point? And she won't want to mess up. Because if she does, I have a plan. Secondly, I'm sure she wouldn't want the king to know that there is...
Bad guy.
So that's the whole plan.
Bad guy. Yes. My man.
Come to think of it, if it wasn't for
the fact that my girlfriend and I are no longer together. I won't be doing this.
Guys,
I miss her so much.
See. I get all the point. But then there's something bothering me. Guy, you know, say you know this type of food where they cook here. How can you cook that type of food they used to cook in the palace?
I'm going to try. I'm going to try. I'm going to try. Listen, I don't understand, so I don't know how to cook, and I came up with the idea of making all of these things.
Now ask.
No, but the thing is, I know how to cook. I know how to cook. I'm a good cook.
I concur.
But if they don't like my food, they will manage it like that.
No,
but the thing is, if they don't like what I made for them, they don't have a choice. They have to eat it like that. Besides, if it wasn't for the fact that my girlfriend and I are no longer together, you think I'll be busy chasing this woman around because of money? I mean, we're going to come together and, you know, brainstorm and come up with ideas on how to make money, not chasing all of these people about. But then again, I'm not going to lose this opportunity. This opportunity is great. They are very rich people. I just want to make money from them and invest in this business, that's all.
Is that right?
Speaking about my girlfriend, I miss her so much. If she was here, I would have married her a long time ago.
I'm not happy. I'm going to miss you.
You're going to miss me? Of course I'll miss you too. But don't worry, very soon it will be your turn to finish. Just like I finished. It will be your turn to pass out. You're not going to do this forever.
Obviously. But I can't wait to pass out. I'm tired of this town.
Of course, you will. And by that time, I'll be ready to get married. And you can get married when you're done.
Oh, that would be so nice. But you have to hustle.
I have to
work
hustle.
hard. Yes, now. You know me.
So I don't look like a hustler.
You don't look like a hustler.
I don't look like a hustler.
I want to give you the ginger. Hustle now. You know me, I won't suffer.
Oh, don't worry.
I won't suffer.
You just finish up. Once you finish, I'll be ready to get married. And we're going to get married and live happily ever after. Alright?
I can't wait for that. I just feel like going with you. I've not had enough.
Okay, fine. Let's go.
I'll just see you off to the park.
Alright, so you take care of yourself, okay? Be good.
Sure.
See all those...
Don't go there. You know me. You know me. Don't go there.
Are you sure?
Of course.
Because I saw the other one looking at you the other day. I don't know why.
We'll find past my boyfriend. Okay. They're fine now. They're not rich now.
What about that your girlfriend? I think by now she must have been married.
I don't know. Searched for her everywhere. I can't find her. Called her phone several times. It doesn't connect.
That is my point. I think by now she must have been married.
I don't know.
She is married.
I don't know what I would do. It's not like I don't think about it. I think about it every time. But I don't know what I would do if eventually she's married. I'll probably just kill myself and kill you too. By the way, how far? How much have you made? How much sales have you made?
See, you know, as you know, Conte, I did not really make any money. I didn't make any money today.
What do you mean?
You know, the last customer that I cooked for complained that the food was so salty. Didn't make any sale at all.
A customer complained that the food was salty. So why did you put too much salt in the food?
I kill myself now. I don't.
No, seriously, why did you put so much salt in the food? You told me you want to become an entrepreneur, you want to learn the business. Is this how you're going to learn the business?
Calm down.
I'm teaching you this thing and you're putting too much salt in a customer's food. So how do you expect us to make money? You think I enjoy staying under the sun and working here? Is this how you want to do business? You're not a serious person, no?
Calm down. See,
leave me alone.
Don't
leave me.
See, you can.
You know, listen to me. You want to become an entrepreneur. You want to become and now this is an opportunity in front of you. You are putting salt. How do you want to engage your customers? How do you want to engage your customers? You're coming here to make me lose money. You think I like staying under the sun? My friend, you're very serious. You leave me alone. There's too much salt. Really, is this how you want to learn? There's too much salt in the food. You think I like staying under the sun? You think, my friend, you want to do business. You don't even know how to cook. You want to become an entrepreneur. You want to become. I'm giving you an opportunity to do business. You are putting too much salt in a customer's food, and you still have the guts to tell me. You think this is some type of joke? Eh? You think I like to stay under the sun and fry meat? You're telling me the customer complained that there's too much salt.
Where are these boys? Open the gate. Who is there? Open the gate.
Who is that?
It is me, Etiko. Don't you recognize my voice? Are you deaf?
Etiko, what do you want in the palace?
I want to see the king. Open this gate right now. Stop asking me stupid questions.
You cannot see the king. Go home.
Huh?
Elders like you are sleeping at home.
Do you... Yeah, wait. Which of the guards am I talking to?
It's me, Jude, the Chief Royal Palace Guard, General Commandant of the palace.
Oh, no wonder. No wonder. Vagabond at the gate.
Vagabond outside gate.
Yeah, bonye.
You.
Jude,
Go home, sir.
Now, open this gate right now. Do you understand what you're doing, Jude?
I understand perfectly. I'm doing my job, sir. You cannot see the king now. Come back tomorrow. In fact, you will not come back again. You want to come and report me to the king? No, it will not happen. Never!
So, you are now the guard of gate of heaven.
Yes.
Where?
Yes. The gate of heaven has locked up against you. Go back to hellfire.
Hi.
Until you approve my love with your daughter, you will not enter this palace again.
It is your dead body that I will approve.
Okay, sir.
Your dead. By the time they drag you and throw you into the river, I will not approve of your love with your dead body love with whoever. My own daughter, you, Efulef like you.
Okay. You are coming to Royal Efulef, Royal Palace Guard of Efulef.
Now stop this nonsense joke. Stop it. Stop this joke because I'm joking with you. I give you 5.
Go home. Tell your daughter to
open this gate. Shut up. Let me talk. I give you count of 5 to open this gate. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5. It's over.
Go home.
You will suffer.
Tell your daughter to go home and wait.
You are losing this job today.
Okay. Elders like you are sleeping.
You will suffer for this.
Go.
You will see what will happen to you.
Go retirement.
You want my daughter.
If you go to the house, tell your daughter to go home and wait for me. If not, we don't enter here. Go home. Have you gone?
You will see me.
Are you still there?
Jude, you will hear from me.
Ichie, are you still there? You want to Otika this gate? Otika? Good, you have gone home. Let me see you. If you jump fence, I will declare you royal wanted. I will call royal police for you. You want to come here and report me to Igwe? You see this man? Thank God I'm at the gate. If not, he would have entered to report me. Even Igwe is seeing you, I don't even care. He will not come and challenge me in my job. If Igwe get angry, you come and stay here. I'll go and collect his cap and stay there.
Chai! Judesco, hunger will kill us in this place. Oh.
Chai! Chai! Jude. Is it how you are going to die? Eh? So this is how you will die. If they say, what killed him? They said hunger.
What a shame.
If they do obituary poster, they will write after a brief hunger. Died after a brief hunger.
Hey!
In this palace.
God forbid.
Never! I will not take it. See, it's like I will go to my house and start eating there. I'll go to my house, my sister will prepare something for me, I will eat. I can't die of hunger.
Please, let me follow you to your place so that hunger will not kill me here.
If you follow me, who will open the gate for you? Eh? Hi. If I don't worry, I will tell her to bring it here so that you will join me. Do you understand?
Oh, thank you so
much.
Because
if I die of hunger, if the hunger that will kill me, if you get you, all your beer, first of all, come out all your beers.
Hey, God forbid.
You do the hunger that will kill you, will do your embalmment by yourself. Yes.
Jude,
so I'll get to you.
Jude, I want to ask you something. Do you know how to cook Indomie?
Indomie? Yes. Come on, Indomie. I can use your leg to turn.
Hey!
What's up? You don't know, I'm a very good cook.
I trust you.
I can cook very well.
Hey, see, Jude, why not let's go inside kitchen and see if we can find Indomie and cook so that hunger will not kill us here.
You are right.
Hey, now. All right.
Go. See, follow back. Make sure that you don't see princess. You know she's always roaming about like evil spirit.
Yes.
And follow this side so that she will not scratch you. If you open the door, tiptoe like a monkey. Open her, check if there's indomie. Then come and tell me. Let me go and cook it.
Okay.
Eh? Open it, bring it. Let just once you see it there, call me. Let me come and cook it. Hey, if princess see you now, she will run, thinking that it's a monkey that entered the palace. Who is that? Please, I don't have strength to open this gate. Eh? Igwe did not even give me a remote so that I can stay here and open this gate. I have not eaten. They can't even bring remote. Let me stay here and open this gate.
My princess, what are you doing?
Are you blind? I'm trying to get food done. I'm trying to warm the food and get everything ready. It's good you're here. You can do it, right? You can just warm the food.
My princess, I can't cook. You see, my mother has 6 daughters and I grew up in the midst of girls. So I've never had this experience before. I can't even boil water.
And you want to eat? You can't boil water and you want to eat. That means hunger will kill you and that Jude out there. If I go and bring him, go and call him so he can come put this together because... Go, just go, bring him.
All right.
What was I thinking when I let all these maids leave at the same time?
Are you serious? No one. You have to come to the palace. Come to the palace. Come to the palace and see me. Yes, we'll talk about it. Yeah, I see. So this man is mean. I'm going to show him that I'm more mean than him. He will see. Nonsense.
What's up? Oh. The princess is calling you. I saw her in the kitchen as she's struggling to lit the gas. And she said I should call you.
Call me to come and do what? Oh, she's cooking for you people.
Are you kidding me? Cook for who? She couldn't even lit the gas. And she asked me if I know how to cook. I said, no, I don't know how to cook. And she said I should call you.
As chief chef, nah? But you see, the only man that is good for gas to explode on me. Go and tell her that I don't know how to on gas. All my life I've been in the village. I don't know how to on gas.
Really?
Yes, if it's firewood, I can be proud of that one. Eh? So go and tell her I don't know how to do it. If she cannot cook, let her come out.
Judex, why don't you go and tell her yourself?
I should go and tell her myself.
Yes.
Everyone I should go. You keep pushing me for me to go and do. Which one are you doing?
I'm looking after you.
I will go and tell her. But see, let me tell you. If you stay here, stay at the gate.
Okay.
If Etiko come here and knock, don't open this gate for him. If you like, let him break his fingers. Knocking. Send him away.
Jude.
I don't want him to enter inside the palace.
Is there any problem?
Obey the last order.
Oh.
Do you understand? I'm your commander.
Okay, I don't forget.
Everything I tell you, do it.
Okay, I don't forget that you be the commander.
Go to the gate.
All right.
Where are these fools? Why are you wasting my time?
Yeah, my princess. I'm new to me. You say you're calling me.
What took you so long? To come just from the gate to this place?
Sorry, there was a situation at the gate. So, as the general commandant of the gate, I had to sort it out before coming. You said you were calling me.
Listen, you have to warm up this food, make the rest of the food, okay? When you're done, you call me so I can come dish it out.
That's not great. You're giving me like my princess, see. I don't know how to use this thing. I don't see all my life. If not that I entered this palace, I have never entered this kind of kitchen before. So I have not seen gas. Talk more of how to put it. Because they say that they always do whoop. the next thing to burn somebody. So I don't know how to use it. I have sisters, elder ones, that do everything at home. So I cannot. What we have in my house here in the village is usoeku, the one they used to. You know, you have not seen that kind of one. Even that one, I can use firewood and gather it immediately. I want the soup. I cannot.
So what are you saying? We're not going to eat?
Let's try the brain. We will know how to do this thing now.
Are you out of your mind? Why would you even suggest that the queen should come and cook?
Okay, what of the king?
Just get out. If you cannot do this, just go.
I should get out. So no food for me?
No food until you and the new maidens resume work. Huh? Go!
Hi. So one food will be the problem. My princess, don't be angry. You could put my own for me like that. I will eat it. My intestine will warm it. Please, I like to eat food that is not warm. Put my own for me. Please. Let me warm it inside my belly. I'm warming my stomach to the tail move. Get slow. Thank you. Wait here, they come, let me come and carry it.
Hey, babe. Babe, you are so mean, you know that. You're mean. You're not mean, my darling. I told you. I told you, but you wouldn't listen. This man loves me so much. I am busting his bubbles. And right now, he wants me closer. Babe. Babe. This might blow up. Oh. You have to be careful. You have to be careful. Blow what? Up. Nothing is happening, let me tell you. He's the king. He has the final say. He wants me closer. What if he wants to marry me, Nko? Huh? You're telling me not to go. Don't even try that. Okay, fine. See, I will not tell you not to go. Hey. But this is very risky. Nothing will. Yeah, it's risky. He's not risky anything, my dear. He's the one that wants me close. No problem. After all, he's the king. What are you saying? Let me tell you something you don't know. Chillax. Nothing will happen. Listen, this man wants me close. And I tell you something, darling. This is the only opportunity I have to be extorting more money from him on a daily basis. Right? Yes. Because he'll be seeing me morning, afternoon, and night. And of course, you know me. When I dress sexily, he cannot withstand. I know with this. And that way, you know, I will be collecting money from him as I want. Right? So what are you talking about? Okay. Babe. You have your way, but be careful. Don't say I did not warn you. Biko, be careful. Now, can you listen to me? Do you know what you should be doing right now? Because you know what? This is just a tip of the iceberg to the real thing. Because your girlfriend is not just going to be in the palace. I am also going to, you know, I might, you know, become the queen. And when I become the queen, what makes you? Princess. A friend to the queen. You want to go? But you know. What? Since I lost contact with Richie, I've not been myself. So it just removed the love, the feelings. So I don't care whatever happens. If someone says you're dating a married man or you're going to be a second wife, I don't care. Maureen, from the look of things, I know you have strong feeling for this your ex, because you always talk about my ex this, my Richie this. What if he's married? Eh? Dear, don't talk about marriage. Because if I see Richie tomorrow, I don't care wherever he is, or I'm going to rush him and give him a sweet kiss. I don't even care whether he's with a woman or not. Maureen, you can know when you love this man so much, I don't want to let him go. Let's call a spade a spade. What if this guy is married? Are you going to marry my second wife, will you? What are you talking about? Are you an enemy of reality? Let me talk. Because I told you I want to go into the palace. You are advising me not to go into the palace. I am just... Mama, I told you about going into the palace, that the king wants me. You are discouraging me not to go. Now I'm telling you about Richie, my love. You are telling me that he might be married. I am not discouraging you, my friend. What you are here for. Please. I am not discouraging you. What are you saying? That is the fact.
Right. Why are they doing this thing to us? Why? Why? Why are they like this?
Baby, I don't know why they are doing this. I don't just know. And I don't want to miss you. But the thing is that my brother has ordered me to come to Kano first thing tomorrow morning. I don't want to see you in that village again. First thing tomorrow morning, go and board the first bus. I don't want to wait for you in Kano. Come to Kano.
Kano te buru mwana.
Kewo.
So see what we are going to do. You will go. Why you go? I will hustle. I will hustle and get money. Do you understand? Once I get money, I'll go and buy drinks and go to your father and meet him. Tell him my mind. Make my intention known so that he will stop disturbing us.
Baby, look at me. Are you sure?
I'm very sure. If you get me angry, I'll marry you tomorrow. What's there?
Baby, thank you so much.
I will marry you.
That would be very nice. But where will I spend the night? Because I'm not going back to that house today. Tomorrow, let me know if the wizard that entered my father will leave him. It's behaving like a wizard.
Don't worry. You sleep here. You sleep in this house. First thing tomorrow, you go to your house and carry your bag and leave.
Huh?
Yes.
Why would you ask me to sleep here?
You sleep here. I will talk to my friend, my colleague. You sleep in the room.
Are you sure that one doesn't have running tongue?
He doesn't have a tongue.
What if Igwe finds out and gets angry with
you? Who is Igwe? I am the Igwe here. Igwe cannot do anything. So I'm the Igwe. You don't have to be afraid.
My Jew.
I'm the Igwe. I forgot this is easy. But very soon I will deter him. He will not know anything.
Guy, how far you here? Finally. The food is ready.
Are you serious?
You know, courtesy of the princess.
So you can come and eat. So she made it finally? Finally. Well, let's go and eat. Baby, let's go inside. Let's go. No,
let's go.
I owe the palace. The palace is my own. Who is Igwe? Igwe cannot do anything.
Hey. Very cool. What is this? Huh? No, what is this? This is the worst food I've ever had in this palace. What is this?
Harry.
Very cold.
That's enough. Enough! And eat your food. We've been through this already.
Mommy, what do you mean that's enough? Are you supporting her? She's a woman! Someday she's gonna get married and go to her husband's house.
Yes!
We didn't tell her to prepare food for us. Just warm the food and serve dinner. Look at the food. Watery and cold. I can't believe this is the same food I ate yesterday. It's
I'm
watery.
not your servant, okay? You can also go and make food for yourself. It will not make you less of a man. Oh, sorry. Boy.
Enough, I said.
Harry, I'm sorry. Now that our mates have gone, we have to look for a replacement. That will be fast and very urgent. Because I cannot continue like this. Never.
I better be as soon as possible before somebody will die in this palace. We starve in this palace. Look at. Eat.
Harry, what is wrong with you?
I have that problem. That's what's wrong with him. Because the kitchen is not far from him.
And you? Aren't you ashamed of yourself? Just warm the food. Just take a good look at yourself. Eh? You can't even warm ordinary food. I am disappointed.
Okay, baby. Bye. So you're smiling anyhow this morning. What is the problem?
Yes, my darling, I'm so excited. Because I just finished speaking with my boo. My boo.
Are you actually serious about this?
What do you mean if I'm serious about this? You think I was joking when I told you? My dear, I am not here to joke. Oh. I am extremely serious about this. Yes. And if you still want the job, declare your intentions now, no, so I can help you and sort it out. If you don't talk, a closed mouth is a closed destiny.
Thank you so much. Thank you. No, but I don't want. I am
fine with the one I'm doing, okay? I'm very comfortable with it.
Suit
Anyway,
yourself.
let me go. I will see you later when I come back.